everyone, my name is Harneet and I welcome you all to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing great. I want to share my experience how I got this bag. Actually, I ordered it from the Louis Vuitton boutique, but they sent me in this small box in which my bag doesn't fit. So I don't know what is happening with the Louis Vuitton customer service nowadays. Anyways, let's unbox my new Louis Vuitton New Alma PM in monogram empreinte leather. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful and a classic piece. Measurements are 13.8 inches in length, 9.1 inches in height, and 5.9 inches in width. This bag is made of supple grained cowhide leather with the 4 protective metal bottom studs. It retails for 2,570 US dollar. This is the tab where I can hang the padlock. This bag has a gold color hardware and has the double zip opening. This bag is hard to find because first it is a classic Alma style and second it has the classic size monogram embossed on it, not the giant one. There are 2 metal loops each side to attach shoulder straps. The side of this bag is very spacious with contrast purple microfiber lining. It has a tag inside that says that this bag is made in France. One side of this bag has 2 pockets and this card says that this bag is made of cowhide leather. As I bought this bag after March 2021, so there is no date code tag in this bag. This bag comes with the padlock and a key bell. Bag also comes with a removable not adjustable strap and the length of this strap is 16.5 inches. So now let's see what I can fit in this bag. So I'm putting my water bottle first and it fits perfectly. Then my Chanel makeup pouch. I'm putting my Louis Vuitton sunglasses without the case because with case it will take more space. Kirigami large pouch. Kirigami medium pouch. Monogram reverse card case I'm putting into the side pocket. 6 key holder pouch and key pouch for the easy access. The small zippy wallet. I don't usually carry all this stuff, but to show how much stuff that you can fit in this bag, I'm putting all the random things. So let's see if I'm able to close this bag or not with all this stuff inside. Yes, I can, but this bag is out of shape now because it's totally stuffed. So let's take out some stuff out of this bag. So I'm taking out the large kirigami pouch. So after taking out the large kirigami pouch, this bag is retaining its shape now. Now let's compare this bag with Sienna MM. Measurement of these bags are mostly the same, so it's not that much of difference between these two. But yeah, the height of the Sienna MM is little more than the PM, and you can see even the width between these two bags on online. It's stated that they are the same 5.9 inches, but when I'm putting side by side, it's looking that the Sienna is more wider than the Elma PM. Interior of this Sienna is in the red color, whereas in the Elma PM it is in the beautiful purple color. So now let's see how does this bag looks on me. For reference, my height is 5.3 inches. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.